Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Word Origins 431. The word origin today is Black Friday. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it now. Let's get right to it. Black Friday is the Friday after Thanksgiving, considered to officially be the start of Christmas shopping season, and for many decades it was considered to be the busiest shopping day of the year in the U.S. This may be starting to change with the internet and people trying to wait for better deals, but for many decades it was considered the number one shopping day. The term was first used in 1869 when two investors, Jay Gould and Jim Fisk, caused a considerable stock market crash by driving up the price of gold. Technically, any Friday of a catastrophe could be named Black Friday. All right, let's continue. However, this term was not used much again until the 1950s and 1960s. It returned to use in Philadelphia and was referred to the day between Thanksgiving and the U.S. Army-Navy football game, which of course was probably on Saturday. So the day between Thursday and Saturday would be Friday, the Friday after Thanksgiving. So that's how it got to be on that day. Okay, good. The event caused massive crowds of tourists and shoppers who put excessive strain on law enforcement. So it's still not really a good meaning yet. It's still kind of more for chaos. All right, now, however, the use we use it for today seems to have started in the 1980s. And I would say this is true because when I was a real young kid, I don't remember this term. It wasn't until around this time that they started to use it, especially in regard to retailers in malls or, big retailers, which often paid high rents and had high expenses. Yeah, many of them, because it was so famous, that the Christmas season was so good, many of them held spots in these malls all year. And sometimes maybe they only broke even or barely made any money, or maybe they even lost a little money until this time. And they hope in this whole month from Thanksgiving to Christmas, they can make the whole profit for the year. That was the idea. All right, let's continue. Okay, here. Many of these businesses sometimes struggle to show profit until Christmas season. Accountants often use the red pen to show a company was at a loss. So that's where we get the term, when a company is in the red. And a black pen was used to show profit. Thus, sometimes it was believed to be the turning point where businesses in malls would go from being in the red to being in the black. Thus, we got Black Friday. That's where the term or the idea is believed to come from. All right, we just have one example here. Traditionally, malls would be extremely busy with crowds on Black Friday. Yeah, you might see on the TV sometimes all the lines of people waiting outside because there's going to be some big sale or something like that. Well, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.